Okay, let's create a custom yoga sequence using BodMove. Make sure you're in the Google account where you want to store the custom sequence. Open Drive and plus Google Slides to open a new Google Slides presentation. We'll call this one shoulder sequence. This is where you're going to store the new presentation or new sequence. We'll call this 10 minutes. Clicking up here where it says Untitled Presentation, we'll just copy this title up here, just a default. It's changed in Drive. You can edit that, of course. All right, now let's get some yoga moves. So we'll go to BodMoves, where we can open in the movement collection yoga asanas. You could pick from multiple collections. It's all the same process. To make this easier to look at, we'll do view, grid view. Makes it easier to see multiple poses at once. And we're going to pick about 10 poses here. So we'll pick mountain. Let me, if I hold down the control key, I can pick multiple at once. Each one I click on will be added. As I go down, let's see, we probably want to pick eagle because this is that's a great one for shoulders. Certainly many of these are good shoulder stretches, but let's see, we'll pick extended puppy. Cow face, a bit intense, but a good pose. Maybe just upward plank, and it's down here fairly far down, but let's get fish. There it is. Okay. Now we'll copy those. They're ready to be moved. We go over to shoulder sequence, and I'll do edit, paste. They've just been moved over from the BodMoves file over to your personal file. So now you have them a short set, just the ones you wanted in your shoulder sequence. And we'll view grid view again to make them easier to see. And I probably want to do them in a slightly different order, so I'll drag and drop shoulder stretch earlier to mountain, before mountain pose. And I'm going to actually maybe finish with extended puppy, so I'll drag that to the end. And let's see, I might want to do mountain pose twice because I might want to do that with, say, reverse prayer. So I'm going to duplicate that slide, and I'll add it add a second version of it. Let's see, after cow face. So there it is. It's going to be at the beginning, and then I'll do it again after cow face. So now I have a sequence, and it's automatically stored in Drive, as we talked about. So this sequence is here on my computer, and if I open Drive on my phone, it's going to be there on my phone under this same ID. To use it, all I have to do is click on Present, and it'll start this full screen showing you the slides, and you can use page down or the arrow key, or if you have a touch screen, touch the screen to advance the slides. And that's it for creating a custom sequence. You have a set of poses in an order that you want to do them in, and that just serves as a reminder of what you wanted to do. You can see already in Drive, if I just refresh the Drive list, you'll already see that the file is there in Drive. It's already automatically stored. And you can share that just the way you would other Google products. You can see as the sharing button. Right now it's private, but I could share it to somebody else. And there's also a way to auto advance the slides and have auto timing, but I'll show you that in another presentation. All right, thanks a lot.